Hey there, my name is James, and in this Keto Smart review, first we'll be walking you through everything you need to know about this product before buying it, including all the pros and cons. But before the review gets started, if you end up watching the video or in the middle of the video you finally decide to buy the Keto Smart, then I would like to recommend you to click on the first link in the description to get an extra discount. Now let's get the review started by talking about what is Keto Smart. Keto Smart is a complete guide written to help achieve weight loss success with the ketogenic diet. The guide contains recipes, scientific evidence, weight loss tips, and practical strategies. There are also exercise guides, shopping lists, and other information. All of this information is delivered in PDF format. You can read Keto Smart on any internet-connected device. Once you buy the guide, it's yours to use however you like. You will have enhanced knowledge about the diet and how to practice it without any confusion or chaos. Keto Smart, the guide, helps you improve your lifestyle and work on building a healthier you. The ketogenic lifestyle has become a growing trend in the US. With obesity being a common lifestyle disease, the need for a healthier shift has people starting the ketogenic diet. With the help of ketosis, you can burn fat easily and thus speed up your weight loss process. This burned fat boosts up your energy, and this helps you be active and strong as well. It rapidly helps you to lose weight healthily and also works to improve your sleep cycles and boost your energy. Keto Smart ebook was curated to help individuals make a ketogenic lifestyle a constant thing in their life. Let's talk about the benefits of Keto Smart. Number 1, the primary benefit of the PDF is that it helps you adapt to the ketogenic lifestyle easily and helps you be consistent in practicing it. Number 2, it helps you have an idea of how to stimulate your fat burn process. By getting your system into the ketosis process, your body burns fat for boosting energy. This improves your weight loss process in a healthy manner. This kind of weight loss is organic and long-lasting. Number 3, it helps to protect your heart. The keto diet ensures that your cholesterol levels are regulated. This way you will be able to improve your heart health and prevent any kinds of cardiovascular diseases. Number 4, you get to practice improved sleep cycles. The diet helps your body rest and relax by providing undisturbed sleep. You tend to be actively energized as you wake up thanks to your regulated sleep cycle. Number 5, with the fat burning to produce energy, you will notice how your body boosts energy and performance. You are more energetic and active, and this helps improve your work and life. Number 6, with the help of the Keto Smart guide, you can notice enhanced focus and clarity in all your works. Number 7, you are also able to manage and balance your blood sugar levels and blood pressure levels. Number 8, you also get a 60-day money-back guarantee with the book, which provides a 100% refund if you are unhappy with the book. If you are still watching this video, then I would like to remind you again that if you have decided to go for the Keto Smart, then click on the first link in description and get an additional 10% discount before it ends. Now let's get back to review and talk about how does this Keto Smart works and how is this gonna help you stay fit. You might have noticed that these days people on the internet are talking a lot about keto diet. Some of those people are trying so hard to lose weight and trying to live a healthy life, but they fail because what they do is just follow a diet that has not been proven. They just follow what they have seen on the internet. This is not the right way to follow the keto diet. The Keto Smart guide is all about the planning of your complete diet process. Keto Smart guide is a good kickstart and comprehensive planner for anyone planning to shift to the keto diet. Once you begin the diet, it can be a burden if you don't know what you have signed up for. With the help of the Keto Smart ebook, you have a holistic idea about the science behind the diet and also how to plan out your exercises and diets. Keto Smart guide comes with a set of do's and don'ts and explains how to carry on with your new lifestyle. It works to enhance your ketogenic lifestyle and keep you on track without losing consistency. It is more like a planner and track that helps you start, stay and follow your ketogenic diet. Let's see what is my final verdict about Keto Smart. If you are someone looking for a way to enhance your keto diet, this is what I suggest you give it a try. You might have tried all the things that you see on the internet without any guidance and knowledge, but a comprehensive Keto Smart guide can help you plan out your routine that is centered around your keto diet. It helps you pick your daily meal plans and choose what workout routine is you best. It also provides you with a list of food that is best for your diet, and the bonus ebook comes with a list of healthy recipes that eases your life. You also enhance your heart health, sleep cycle, and improve your energy as you follow the guide. It builds to holistically improve your life without you having to confuse and burden yourself while trying to get healthy. If you find this Keto Smart guide helpful and convincing, and if you are someone looking to improve on your lifestyle, I'd recommend you give this Keto Smart ebook a try. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you like to see more reviews like this, then click on the subscribe button.